If you're wondering how to use bandages in ART raiders, don't worry. Bandages are essential for healing during missions. Here's the step-by-step guide. First, collect bandages during missions. They can be found in crates, loot drops, or specific supply points marked on the map. Next, open your inventory. Press the inventory key, PC, I, Console, Menu/Options, and locate the bandages under the Consumables tab. Now, equip the bandage. Select the bandage and assign it to a quick access slot or hotkey so you can use it during combat. After that, use the bandage when your health is low. Press the assigned hotkey or button to apply it. Your character will heal over a few seconds. Also, manage your bandage supply. Keep enough bandages in your inventory for longer missions. Using them strategically during fights can prevent death. Finally, combine with other healing items if available. Some missions allow medkits or boosters alongside bandages for faster or more efficient healing. Once used correctly, bandages help you survive tougher fights in ARC raiders and maintain mission progress.
If this tutorial saved you time, like the video, subscribe to LearnBase, and ask your next question below.